darling. Where's Gareth?
What, Gillingham, Eddie?
Do you actually know Oscar Wilde?
Not personally, no. But I do know someone who could get his fax number for you. Shall we dance?